Good morning everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to second session of lesson 7, One Friday Morning. Now open your books on page 49. Students, the main objective is that you will be able to learn word meanings, phrases and understand the chapter well. You will also be able to answer the questions easily. I hope you remember we have read that Nancy Lee was an excellent student. She was called by Miss O'Shea to her office, and Miss Dietrich, her teacher, told her that her picture had won the Artists Club award. Here are some set of questions. Now, on the basis of the reading of page 48, you will be able to answer the following questions. Question number 1. What was the name of the vice principal? Question number 2. Whom did Miss O'Shea call to her office? Question number 3. Who was Nancy Lee's art teacher? Question number 4. Why did Miss O'Shea call Nancy Lee to her office? Question number 5. What news did Miss Dietrich give to Nancy Lee? Question number 6. How did Nancy Lee react to the news? Students, let's mark the difficult words with their breakups and meanings. In the first paragraph, there is a phrase, beamed with pride. Beamed with pride means smiled with pleasure. Now, next paragraph, word is acceptance speech. ACCEPTANCE. Acceptance speech means speech made to thank people. In the same paragraph, there is word calm. Calm means cool. Now, come to the next word, assembly hour. ASSEMBLY. Assembly hour means time of meeting of teachers and students in school. Students, this is a time when you do prayers in the morning assembly. Next word, announcement. ANNOUNCEMENT. Announcement means to give notice. Marked everyone? Now come to next paragraph. There is word colored. COLOURED. Colored means black. People who belong to the race of black skinned people. Okay. Now next word is discouraged. DISCOURAGED. Discouraged means disheartened. Next line word is poverty. POVERTY. Poverty means a state of being poor. Next line there is word race. Race means an ethnic group. In the same line there is word opportunities. OPPORTUNITIES. Opportunities means chance. Next word fairness. FAIRNESS. Fairness means justice. Come to next paragraph. Word is received. RECEIVED. Here received means welcomed. I hope you have marked the meanings. Now let's discuss the phrases. The first phrase is to prepare her. उसे तैयार करने को. Next phrase, at the Friday morning. शुक्रवार सुबह सम्मेलन सभा में. Marked everyone? Now next word, to think calmly. शांति से सोचने को. Next phrase, over it in her mind. इस पर उसके दिमाग में. Now moving forward to next phrases. to thank you for this award. इस पुरस्कार के लिए धन्यवाद करने को. Next phrase. To win this award. इस पुरस्कार को जीतने को. The last phrase of this page is of a wonderful tomorrow. एक अद्भुत कल का. Let's start the reading. Dear Nancy Lee, Miss O'Shea said, we are so happy for you. The elderly white woman shook her hand warmly while Miss Dietrich beamed with pride. Here, Miss O'Shea told Nancy Lee that they were proud of her. She shook her hand with Nancy Lee. On seeing this, Miss Dietrich smiled with pleasure. Now let's read the next paragraph. Miss O'Shea had called Nancy Lee to the office both to prepare her and warn her. In making her acceptance speech, the vice principal wanted Nancy Lee to be calm and prepared. So, Nancy Lee was asked to think about what she would say at the Friday morning assembly hour, when the announcement would be made. Nancy Lee promised the vice principal to think calmly about what she would say. Here, Miss O'Shea had called Nancy Lee to tell her to prepare an acceptance speech, but she also wanted her to be calm and prepared. Nancy Lee was asked to think wisely what she would say at Friday morning assembly hour. Nancy Lee promised Miss O'Shea that she would carefully think about her acceptance speech. Let's read further. Soon, Friday morning came. The night before, Nancy Lee had gone to bed thinking about the next day. Her short speech was ready and she went over it in her mind. Now here, the night before Friday morning, Nancy Lee went to bed thinking about the next day. Now students, why she was thinking about the next day? Yes, she was thinking about the next day because she had to give an acceptance speech while receiving the Artists Club award. Now let's read. When the president of the Artists Club would present her the award, she would say, "Judges and members of the Artists Club, I want to thank you for this award. It means so much to me. The colored people of this city are sometimes discouraged, thinking that color and poverty are against them. I accept this award not for myself alone, but for my race. We believe in America. We believe in its opportunities and fairness. I thank Miss Dietrich and the teachers who gave me the knowledge and training to win this award." Now students, this is her acceptance speech which Nancy Lee would speak when she would receive the Artists Club award. Now let's understand it. Nancy Lee was thinking that when the president of Artists Club would give her the award, she would thank the judges and the members of Artists Club. The colored people or the people with black skin are sometimes demoralized. She would accept this award not for herself, but for her race. Nancy Lee herself is colored. She believed in America. Now students, what was her belief? She believed that there would be no discrimination on basis of race and color. And she also believed that her race would get equal opportunities and Justice by America. She would also thank Miss Dietrich and the teachers who were behind her hard work and helped her in winning the award. Now let's read the last paragraph of this page. When I came to this school a few years ago, you received me well. You have given me a chance and helped me along the road I wanted to follow. Thus, Nancy Lee went to sleep, dreaming of a wonderful tomorrow. Here, Nancy Lee says that she was welcomed warmly by her teachers on the first day of the school, and they have helped her to follow her dream. Then Nancy Lee went to sleep, dreaming of the bright Friday morning. Now students, come to page number 51 of your books. Exercise B, answer these questions. Now, you will be able to answer these questions on the basis of the understanding of the chapter. Question number 1. How did Nancy Lee react to the news given by Miss Dietrich? How did the vice principal congratulate Nancy? To answer this question, refer to page 48, last paragraph. Question number 2. What did Nancy Lee plan to say when the president of the Artists Club would present her the award? Now students, to answer this question, refer to page 49, fourth paragraph. Question number 3. The night before, Nancy Lee had gone to bed thinking about the next day. Why was Nancy Lee thinking about the next day? To answer this question, refer to page 49, third paragraph. Students, you will solve these questions here on your book. I hope you understood the topic well. Now read the chapter again for better understanding and follow your SNAP homework schedule. Thank you everyone.